Why is your lender telling you the FHA loan is the best loan for you, but your realtor is telling you you really want to have a conventional loan, not an FHA loan, and why both are probably right? I'm Darrell, I'm a lender in the Southeast. Let's talk about it. So, from a lender's perspective, an FHA loan can be a really good loan for people who don't have perfect credit or even may have good credit, but it's not really perfect credit. So, if you don't have 20% down, you're going to pay mortgage insurance, which is the insurance you pay for having less than 20% down, for having little skin in the game. And with a conventional loan, it's based on your credit score. And it can have rate of like zero point 0.7, whereas an FHA loan is 0.55. And if it's two people on the FHA loan, it's zero point 0.5. It's even lower. So you can have a lower mortgage interest rate. And also, you don't have to have perfect credit. If you've got some little issues in your credit score, it's okay. And the interest rates on FHA right now are lower than they are on conventional loan for the same person. I've run the numbers both ways for people, and it's about maybe 3/8 of a point lower, percent lower on FHA than conventional. The other is if you're really pushing to get a little bit bigger house, a more expensive house, FHA is the way to go because they'll allow you to have more debts. So now, why is the realtor right when they tell you that an FHA loan isn't a good loan to have? Well, it's because of the stigma in the market. And also, there's some realities that make it maybe not the best loan. The stigma is FHA loans are bad because they make the house harder to get. And the reason they make the house harder to get is the condition of the house has to be good. You can't have peeling paint, you can't have visible wood rot, and you can't have damage, physical damage like holes in the walls. Whereas on conventional loans, if you have a hole in the wall, somebody got angry and punched a hole, we'll take it. It's okay. But on FHA, if you've got holes in the walls or somebody with anger issues punched the wall, it won't fly. They're going to have to be fixed. So all the wood rot, things like that. And railings on a conventional loan, if you've got a deck that's missing railings where it should have them, maybe it's a 24-inch drop off, FHA is going to require you to have a handrail in there. With a conventional loan, you can probably get away with it unless the inspector is really trying to point some things out. So both are right. When your lender tells you FHA loan is a good loan and a realtor tells you FHA loan is a bad loan, they're both right, but now you understand why and you can make a good decision as to which loan you really want to get.